unfortunately, you are going to be issued a citation for it, okay?
Okay.
Want to be on the camera.
Oh, okay.
Alrighty.
I can put it over here.
Let me give you some information. At the bottom of the citation, there's a phone number you can contact.
Okay.
They'll let you know how to take care of the fine and how much it will be, okay? There's also a court date listed on the citation.
Okay.
You're more than welcome to show up and dispute the citation in front of the judge, okay?
Okay.
I just need your signature between the two red lines. This is not a mission of guilt. Just saying you're going to take care of it.
Okay. What's the, like, is there like a minimum decibel readings or something that's supposed to be for the exhaust, or?
That's a different citation. That's a different infraction.
Oh, so it wasn't about
the modified exhaust.
Okay, so it's not about like the volume, it's just that it's changed. It's just different.
Correct.
But I mean, it passes smog and everything. It doesn't? Okay.
Okay.
Sounds
Have a
good.
day.
Thank you, you as well. Well, modified exhaust. I did not think that's how I was gonna start today, but that's how we started today. Merry Christmas, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying your vacation off or Christmas break or wherever you are. I just got state reffed for the exhaust, you guys. Moments prior, like moments prior, some kid was walking his dog and was doing this thing. And so I was like, okay. You know, I wasn't going too fast or anything, but I was like, you know, I was like, you know, keeping my eyes peeled. And sure enough, man, I saw him coming up behind me. Both officers, they probably had another guy who was like training or something, but the sad thing is this isn't even the loud one. This is like the quieter of the vehicles. We're in the red car right now. Let's get into this Christmas special. Oh yes, you already know what time it is. What is going on? Merry Christmas, welcome back to the channel. It is Christmas of 2023 and I can't believe we've made it, you guys. We've made it to the end of the year. So many crazy, amazing things have happened this year. As you saw from the beginning of this video, we got state reffed in the red car for that. But it's true, on my way home from work, we actually got state reffed for the muffler delete in the rev up. Unfortunately, nothing we can really do. We have to put the stock exhaust back on and get it signed off by the state referee. So super unfortunate, but we're going into the 2024 year with a quiet rev up, which is fine. Miata, you know, casual, still doing good. Love this thing. Seriously, the most fun car I own probably. But this thing, as far as 2023 goes, this thing is like the largest memory I'm gonna have. We've been through so much with this car this year. We purchased it at the beginning of this year, and here we are, December of 2023. The car has been completely painted. We've fixed it up so much. I mean, it's basically back into its stock condition, which is so cool. We wrapped the hood today. Check it out. We have like this plaid wrapping paper with this Merry Christmas stuff on here. Super cool. Let's go for a cruise right now, you guys. Cruising in the Z, check it out. Wrapping paper is looking good. One thing I did this year from last year when I did this was I wrapped from back to front instead of front to back. This way it allows the paper to layer in a way to where the air won't go up underneath and rip it off, which is nice. So hopefully we should be good as far as like the paper not coming off. So man, seeing the red paper right there, it feels like we're in the red car actually, but that sound though is definitely the HR. Jeez. I can't believe we got freaking state reffed yesterday. Like that was just seriously the most unfortunate way to end the year, but honestly, it's that quota. They're trying to meet that quota, you guys. And honestly, we're like free quota reaching passes. Like we just like free passes for the quota, you know? They see car people and they're like, "Oh, easy money." Easy money. All right, pulling into the parking lot here. Gonna get some cool shots of the car. Man, I can't believe it's Christmas. All right, we made it. Christmas 2023. Here we are with the blue 350Z, you guys. What an absolutely insane year. I just think back to all the cool videos we got to make and all the cool experiences we had. We picked up this thing from Unique Motorsports back in like February, I want to say. So much has happened since then, honestly. I worked at the body shop for a while, got this thing painted. Look at this car. Aside from the wrapping paper, the paint on this thing came out so good. When we first got this car, it was pretty much just a cosmetic mess, and it's pretty amazing how far it's come since then. There's still water on this thing, but look at the color. That's amazing. I love this car specifically because I've yet to see this exact color on the streets. You know, I see a lot of white 350Zs, a lot of silver ones, black ones, but I just don't ever see the San Marino blue. So super awesome that we were able to snag one up. We added the same exact front lip that the red car has. Probably one of the best looking front lips for the 350Z in my opinion. I feel like the way it comes up in the front a little bit, it complements the front bumper so well. After all the check engine lights, all the trips to the mechanic, all the flat tires, and all the state referees, we're here. We even got impounded this year, you guys. I almost forgot about that, honestly. We got impounded, which is crazy to think about, but oh, is there someone coming? Oh, there's a car coming, but anyways, I just wanted to jump on here and say thank you for everything this year. It has been a wild ride, and I cannot wait to see what 2024 holds for us. So many things that we can do in 2024. Do we get a Nismo? Do we turn this to a drift car? So many ideas. I really do want to turn this to a drift car, so let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in seeing a Nismo, maybe we can make that happen as well. I don't think I need 3 350Zs though. That's also a thing, but maybe we do. Who knows? Before I let you guys go and enjoy your Christmas, here's a little recap of all my favorite memories from this year. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in 2024. Peace out. As you saw from the title of today's video, we are headed over to go check out a Nissan 350Z. I have no idea if I'm going to be getting this car or not. This is a 2007 Nissan 350Z HR. Land of the VQs over here. There it is. You know, it's got the clears coming off. Hopefully it's paint. Is officially ours. Oh man, I'm nervous. Dad's headed out. We're headed to Popeyes. This is it. We're in our Z. What the heck is happening? I'm tripping right now. Starting up my HR for the first time. Oh my gosh. First time putting gas in the new Z HR. This is just so exciting to me, honestly. This is a clean title, 100K miles, all original, and I'm smiling ear to ear right now, you guys. Listen to that. Oh man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's undrivable now.
Ew.
Look at all that.
All right, check it out. I mean, pretty destroyed. And look at this.
It is amazing.
I don't think this carpet has ever looked this good, ever. I mean, there's nothing. Like, it looks like a brand new car, and it's just insane. Headed out. Time to take over the town. No, stop. Oh. What a great show, man. Especially to start off the year, first Twisted Society. All right, headed out. Yeah. Steve just started the HR and set this alarm off. We just left the show. Oh, I saw that. Wow. I mean, come on. Like, this took me an hour. Like, I'm not even joking with you, an hour with that plastic brush and some soapy water. Shout out Chris Fix. Like, literally, I was able to get into all of this, you know, these, a little bit of dust in there, but I mean, serious. This looks so much better. But in my opinion, it's time for something new. That is beautiful. Look at this screen. It works so well. I cannot believe this is real. Shoot, yeah. No way. This is my survival world, you guys. I just had this itch to play Minecraft in my car, and here we are. There's so much coal right here. I'm getting pulled over right now. Not good. Think that thing's going up there? I'm not feeling it. she goes. She looks clean though, not gonna lie. Look at this. Even all this button stuff is carbon, and it's all custom made. Like, it's not the best cut ever, but it's all custom. It complements the center dash piece so well. Man, this carbon is absolutely nuts. I mean, I know what I'll be looking at every single day when I'm in the car now, so.
Check it out.
Oh, the front lip looks so good. Oh my God, oh my God. Yeah, right here's good. Oh my God, this thing turned out absolutely insane. That front bumper, look at this color. This thing looks like a brand new car right now. I just ran it over though. The cheese grater strikes again. We're only taking left turns today. That is it. I don't care where it leads us or what is happening. We will not be using this right turn signal whatsoever. Let's get a burnout in here for G Fuel. Thanks again, G Fuel, for sponsoring today's video. This is for you. Smokes the tires with absolute ease. I mean, I'd say the best thing about the 350Z is just the fact that it has no traction control whatsoever. All right, this thing is sweet, you guys. Just the flick of the wrist. All right, probably shouldn't do that very often. One more time. Oh man.